when you pump gas in like a ghetto neighborhood, I'm sorry to say it like that, but it's the truth. You cannot pump gas and look like a little punk. You gotta go out there with the grin and everything. If not, you're about to either get approached by a weirdo, or someone will probably try to rob you, which has happened to me in the past. A long time ago, but it happened. So this is kind of how you do it. Slam the door, look around. One eyebrow always facing up. You grab the pump. You cannot grab the pump like a punk either, like it's a gun. Always check your surroundings. Keep the grin and the eyebrow up. Always lock your passenger doors. If not, trust me, they'll either steal your purse, and that goes for women and men, because a lot of men rock purses today. All right, time to go. Keep the grin. Look around. Watch your surroundings. Pretend you're chewing gum. Then just get in your car. And that's it. And you gotta keep that energy. What? Don't take my advice so serious.